Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows PC and laptop shutdown is not working into your PC. Now simply come over into the start icon and you can see in the power option, if you click on shutdown, it is not working for your computer. So how you're going to fix it is very simple. Just come over into your search option and search for run. Click on that and here is your run program is open. And now you just need to type power cfg .cpl and then click OK. And here is your power options will be open. And now you just need to go for the choose what the power buttons do. Click on that. And then here you just need to click on change setting that are current unavailable. So click on that. And here you just need to turn off these, turn on fast startup, save changes. And now if you try to shut down, I hope your problem will be solved. But if it's not solved yet, then click on the restart button and then shut down, and I hope your problem will be solved. So this is how you can fix Windows PC and laptop shutdown not working. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.